So in this video I'm going to show you how to get Windows 10, download it and put it on a USB bootable device, or if you prefer a DVD then that's your choice. First thing you want to do is open your web browser and type Windows 10 download, and then click on download Windows 10 disk image ISO file blah 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 blah. And don't click on update now, you want to click download the tool. Once you've downloaded the tool, you should end up with this Microsoft Creation Tool. Open it up, say yes. It'll take a while, but it'll get some stuff ready for you. And then when this comes up, you want to scroll all the way down, click accept. And then it'll take a minute or two to get things ready again. So what you want to click now is create installation media. Click this, click next. Select your language. Of course, if you're in the UK, I think you can change it. Yes, you can. Windows 10, and you want the 64-bit version, and you want to click next. And then obviously USB flash drive is selected, so you need an 8 gig USB flash drive. So you want to plug that in and click next. If you want to burn it onto a DVD, you need to make an ISO file first, and then you'll use your burning software to burn it on a DVD. So once your USB flash drive is plugged in, click next, and it should pop up there, and then click next and let it do its job, and then your USB flash drive is done. And then what you need to do is plug that into your laptop or your computer. Normally you press F12 for the boot menu and then find your USB flash drive and click that and install it. But that's how you make a USB flash drive of Windows 10. It's a lot faster than DVD, so if you can use a USB, then use one. Hope that helps you out.